Hello everybody. I recently picked up this Creality Ender 3 V3 SE 3D printer. I got it for about $220 on Amazon. And I've owned a few 3D printers before in the past, and I gotta say this one is pretty decent, especially for the money. I cannot complain. It's pretty good quality. The motors are gliding on these rails, and they've got these little rubber wheels, so it gives it like really smooth transition as it zips back and forth. And I had to make some changes though. To the speed settings. And I thought everybody should get a look at this here. I had to make some adjustments to the speeds. It's almost a little bit too fast for certain parts. Kind of put some waves and things and whatnot. And from what I found, some prints that's fine. It may not matter, but if you need to do high quality prints, such as gears and things like that, you're probably gonna have to make some adjustments to this right in here. And I'll make sure I can get that in focus for you. Okay. And I also had to make adjustments to the acceleration as well. And normally the bed doesn't look like this. What I did was to put a little bit of sugar water on here, and I gotta explain why I ended up doing that. Normally this comes right off. It's got a little magnet that sticks the bed down nice and firm while it's printing. However, sometimes it sticks too well, and it's very difficult to get it off of this mat. And sometimes it doesn't stick very well at all, and it's hard to get a print going. And what I found out of using a lot of different materials, I've used hairspray, I've used masking tape, I've used a lot of different things on the surface to help with the issue of sticking. And believe it or not, sugar water, of all things, seems to do really, really well. And when you go to pull the part off, what happens is it pulls off the sugar in flakes. Not only does the PLA, not only does it stick really well to the sugar, but it also, when you go to remove it, it doesn't stick so much that you end up having to pry it and scrape it and bend this bed way too much and deform it. But yeah, all I do was mix enough sugar and water to make like this molasses goo, and just put a good coat on there.